Hello to everyone. My name is Deepa Krishnan and I'm part of the Flipkart Marketplace team and I head the seller experience operations. First of all, I hope that you, your employees, your families and everybody around you is safe and healthy during these difficult times. As you're aware that in the recent times, there have been a lot of customers who have moved towards meeting their needs for both essential and non-essential products online. So which means that this is a great opportunity and time for sellers to be selling online on Flipkart. And I wanted to take the opportunity here because the festive season is just around the corner. And I wanted to talk to all of you and talk about the opportunities that are there on how you can make best use of this period. So to start with, let's talk a little bit about the various features that we've enabled for you on the platform to make doing business online easier. So to start with, there is inventory recommendations, which helps you understand which are the products that you have that are going out of stock or close to going out of stock and that you need to replenish. So it gives you a view of which are the products that you need to invert both into your warehouses, into Flipkart's warehouses, so that you are constantly making sure that your customers can buy your products at any point of time. The second thing is green packaging. Green packaging, as you are aware, is something that states like Maharashtra have already enabled. And it is something that is important for us to look at when you consider the environment. So I would encourage everyone here to both ensure that you keep enough stock of your green packaging and other packaging to make sure that you have enough packaging to process your orders during this festive season. Apart from that, there are a few other features as well that we have made live for you. For example, pricing recommendations is a feature that gives you a comparison of the kind of products and their pricing. So which means that if you have a product that you are selling at a particular price, this tool gives you a view of what is the kind of pricing that other sellers on Flipkart have indicated for that product. And similarly, what is the price for those products at competition as well. So it gives you the opportunity to make the right decision on what you need to price your product at. Another example of a great feature that we have enabled for you is Express. Now, Express, as you are aware, and I'm sure many of you already have a lot of your listings on Express, it enables us to pick up your products quicker and deliver them to the customers quicker. So this is a feature that now you can enable directly on your own without depending on seller support, which you had to do earlier. So these are some great features that we've made live for you, and I would encourage everybody to use those features continually to take the most advantage of what we have on the platform. And of course, for the festive season, it's very important that everybody here, in order to make the maximum use of it, is opting into the various promotions and offers that Flipkart presents so that your customers can also get the maximum benefit and you can maximize on the sales that you make on the platform. So I wish everyone is able to take these points and implement them. And I wish everybody a very successful and fabulous festive season. And of course, through all of this, I wish that everybody here remains safe and that your employees and your families as well remain safe and healthy. Thank you very much.